Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I want to give you a room tour in Bali, Indonesia. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing right now. So these are stairs to my room. You can see how it looks like. After the stairs you can find the living room here soon after the stairs, and this way is a way to sitting room. I love this sitting room so much, and most of the time I spend my time here when I need to start or I need to edit the video. I love to spend my time here, and especially I love because it has outside view. The sky is little beautiful as you can see, and the hair. So I love the greenish thing. So little, there's beautiful sky in Bali as you can see, so I love those greenish. So it's really amazing to be here even to study. So this place is just located 30 minutes from the airport at the Kuta Center. So it's just 30 minutes from the airport. There's a lot of room which are really beautiful. So I can take you to my room. This is my room, this is my bedroom, whereby I sleep here, and it's really nice, it's beautiful, it's enough for me because I'm just alone and I don't have much, so it's quite enough for me. And I love the decoration, how it is, it's really beautiful. So the room is really nice, the host, everything. So he tries best to speak with us, so it's really amazing to spend time here. But the best thing I like from this room is you have access to your sitting room, living room alone. That is private, so you can just sit in your sitting room and you can have access to the living room that is private. You can spend your time alone, so not only alone but also you can have access to kitchen whereby you can share with your host. But about the sitting room and the living room and the bedroom all belong to you, so you can get this room in a cheap price. So I think it's quite good for a family, which is really amazing. So they provide with you with all equipment like towel, so everything, even a lot of bed sheets to change. So it's really amazing. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I remind you, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I have more to share with you here in Bali, Indonesia. And make sure you comment down if you're in Bali. Make sure we meet up. I want to learn more about Indonesia. It will be good, and I will do my best to meet up with you. Make sure you subscribe. Bye.